Hello, I'm Ben from Suncenter. Today, I would like to introduce this FM200 Fire Extinguisher filling machine. Take a look at the operation panel of the device. This is the driven air regulator. This is the driven air pressure gauge. This is a nitrogen pressure reducing valve and nitrogen pressure gauge. This is the pulsed valve pressure gauge and nitrogen switch. This is a vacuum valve. When vacuuming, it is necessary to open it. Vacuum pressure gauge. This is an unloading valve. This is a precision pressure gauge switch. This is a precision pressure gauge. Take a look at the electrical box. This is the vacuum pump switch. This is the start and stop switch for the device. The equipment is equipped with a 500 kilograms electronic scale. On the left side of the device, this is the driven air inlet port. This is the nitrogen inlet port. This is the FM200 inlet port. On the right side of the device, this is the high-pressure gas outlet port. This is the unloading port. Next, I will demonstrate how to operate this device. Before filling, the equipment needs to be evacuated. Firstly, open the unloading valve to release the gas from the pipeline. Unloading completed. Then turn on the vacuum switch. The precision gauge switch needs to be turned off to avoid damaging the precision pressure gauge. Then turn on the vacuum pump switch. When the vacuum gauge shows minus 0.1 megapascals, the vacuum pump can be turned off. The vacuum gauge currently shows minus 0.1 megapascals. Turn off the vacuum pump. Then close the vacuum valve. Next, we will start filling FM200 gas. Start the equipment and the booster pump starts running. The device starts running. Most customers fill FM200 based on weight. For normal filling, you need to place the gas cylinder on the electronic scale, then set the weight to be filled on the electronic scale. The yellow light is on, indicating that the device is being filled. Green light on, indicate that the weight to be filled is about to be reached. The red light is on, indicates completion of filling. The device automatically stops running. Finally filled with nitrogen gas. Firstly, turn on the switch of the precision gauge. Turn on the nitrogen switch again. Then adjust the pressure of nitrogen in the gas cylinder by adjusting the nitrogen pressure reducing valve. The precision pressure gauge displays the nitrogen pressure in the gas cylinder. When the nitrogen pressure in the gas cylinder reaches the required pressure, turn off the nitrogen switch. Fire extinguisher filling completed. After FM200 and nitrogen filling are completed, tighten the interface of the fire extinguishing gas cylinder. Then release the pressure in the pipeline. Close the precision switch. Finally, remove the gas cylinder that has been filled and replace it with the gas cylinder to be filled, and repeat the operation.